Hey everyone, I'm with my brother today, Michael Boy 2000.
Season greetings!
I'm with my brother, Michael Boy 2009. I'm just gonna show you what his username looks like. Let's go, Michael Boy 2009. Go buddy him and comment down below if you did. Anyways, guys, now this video is on how to get permanently banned. So if you guys don't know how to get
Wait, how do you know how to do this?
I've been banned before. Anyways, this video is on how to get banned, so I'm just going to choose a random animal. Closing my eyes. You can trust me on this.
Do a rhinoceros.
Click the arrow to pick a fun new name for your animal.
Animal.
Okay, animal. Okay, I'm going to pull mine, and we're going to want to do this.
Feeble! I don't know what feeble means.
Let's try,
We're watching Narnia tonight.
Fuzzy, Leafy, Lady. Oh, yes, that is quality naming. Actually, I think we should gorgeous Leafy Lady. Oh. So those are not
Some lady, she's really old. She picks up a leaf, breaks her back, and dies.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl.
A boy?
Then create a unique username and
You're
password
16
for your
plus from
account.
how old you
Ask
are.
a parent for help.
I am a
if you need
boy.
to.
You're 16.
And I'm 14. This is not true. Actually, some of it is.
I'm actually 8
I'm
and my
14.
sister's 10.
I'm 10. No,
And
I'm 11. I'm 11,
You are?
and I'm a girl.
Wait, that might mean I'm 9.
Yeah. Anyways, my AJ username is gonna be Wisteria Moon is better than. Oh God.
Hysteria.
No, I'm not just gonna.
People.
What's a random name?
Oh, I know. Saturn 345.
Pokemon is free. Oh, that's a good name. Actually, no, we need one to remember. So,
Do it like my account. Saturn 14. Mine is Saturn 104. It's actually been suspended. See, you can't
Saturn
do it.
Saturn.
I got mine from there. Mine was Saturn 104. But no.
Saturn 103. 103. So I'm just gonna write that down somewhere. Can you get a notepad or something? No, that's.
I dare you to.
No, get in trouble.
Write it in Dad's calendar. Write it on your moustache.
I'm just gonna write it here. So Saturn.
Is that a gift card?
Yeah. Okay. My AJ password is gonna be. You guys can know this AJ password actually. Actually, no, you can't because you can't see. Oh no, gosh. We'll be right back. Okay.
You just couldn't see.
You couldn't see my You couldn't.
That was my spit.
You couldn't see my password because I never know if you'll hack me, and then But guys, no one needs to fully activate their account because this account will get banned anyway. Guys, me doing this is not bannable. Bannable. Because, one, I'm telling you what you should not do. Do not try this and blame it on me. Sister, I don't want to get banned. Okay, let's do a random one. Poo is tasty
At gmail.com.
at
Hotbox?
at hotmail.com. No one uses Hotmail here.
Finally, review the Animal Jam Code of Conduct.
Oh, finally!
Never share your personal information with anyone online.
School
And
made
remember
this, guys.
to be nice and have fun.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do on this account. I actually don't do this. I'm just joking about it. I'm not gonna play nice.
Wait, which
I'm
account did you
gonna
get banned
not
on?
use kind words. I'm gonna report good gems. I'm gonna act inappropriately. I'm not gonna do that. There's no point. I'll give out personal information. No, you ain't going nowhere.
That's the only one you're not gonna do.
Okay, guys. I'm just going to get past Peck, so I'll be back later. Okay, guys. My mistake. I got mistaken by saying how to get permanently banned when I actually really meant getting suspended. So I'm just gonna finish off doing whatever we're doing here. Yeah. Follow me. I don't want to follow you, boy. Here in Japan, everyone has their own unique style. Let's go by customizing those. I know what to do. I've done this like a million times. Gosh. Just make this
Just look like an ugly rhino.
No, I want to make myself look good before this rhino will never be seen again in Japan, even though it's not going to be seen in Japan. Okay, so we're going to want to get like a nice, pretty fluoro green. And so
You can dye their
oh,
horns.
I hate pink. Sorry. Yes, you can dye their horns. Oh yes, and it can have some yellow eyes.
Looks so angry.
Then we want to get fire.
Oh.
Cause I see fire. Yes. How did I get an achievement for looking this? Oh, thank you, boys. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait, what you do? Well, you call that quality color? You know what? This person's bullying me. I'm gonna report them. If I find anyone that looks like you, I'm gonna report them. Actually, no, don't do that.
Okay.
Okay. That's a lot of gems. See, and now they're laughing at me. They're bullies. I need to run away. Oh, by the way, here's my gems pack. Wow, you sure are lucky. Oh, well, yeah, I am, actually. Alright, no one cares. So, guys, this is how to get banned. Well, not banned, suspended, actually. So, you're gonna write, okay, you can't write this. What's the password? Then you're gonna do that with that emoji. And then you're gonna press enter. Suspended for 1 day. I don't care about this account. I hate what I'm wearing. But anyways, so let's go. Satin103. That is my username. That's my username. Anyways, so my password is done. Oh, cool. You can't see it. And then it comes up with this account is currently suspended and cannot log in at this time. How mean? I feel rejected.
Hey, don't. What did you even say?
I said, what's the password?
You should have said the asshole one. Give me the pie, asshole.
Oh, you can say asshole.
I called on my friend an asshole and I didn't get suspended.
Really? Really? Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and leave a thumbs up to all my other videos.
And
And check out my brother's account.
Michael Boy 2009.
Is right here. Michael Boy 2009.
Write that on a note right now and buddy me.
You have?
Because then I'll give you nice stuff like theirs. But not spikes or anything. I only have one of those.
Yeah, he'll just give you rares and stuff.
Like
So-
probably Jamalade stuff and because I got lots of Jamalade wares.
And Jamalade bowls and stuff.
And I might even give you my favorite item. Actually, my favorite item is the necklace. Sorry, guys.
Anyways, so you have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you subscribe yet? Did you like the videos? Did you add it on a notepad? If you didn't, comment down below. If you did, comment down below. I don't really care if you don't, but just,
Why is it always comment down below?
I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah. Oh, and also, guys, there's one more thing I need to tell you. So,
That's
yep,
a subject.
this is my brother. And if you did not know him, see him on... Oh, and I also have another sister. Her name is... Let's just write it down here. Ponies Rock T6 because
Do they even know your account?
and mine is Tilly Top Robot.
Maybe we could show this in every video.
And you can join the fam by subscribing. So you can join my family. I will be giving shout outs. So I have a space under here. Comment down below and I'll add you to this list. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Now bye.
Bye-bye.